Valuations can be done in two different ways. One is from an investment banker standpoint of how much should I pay for this bank, or how much can I get if I sell my bank. There's also the arena of true bank or true valuations, which is a valuation from a fairness opinion standpoint. Am I getting a fair value if I sell my bank for X price? Or a valuation standpoint from a acquisition accounting standpoint is when I value my balance sheet through an acquisition, what is the fair market value of the assets and the liabilities that I'm acquiring? What is the true value of the loan portfolio I'm acquiring? What is the true value of the core deposits that I'm acquiring? And things of that sort. So the two of them really play off each other very, very well. In other words, if I'm strictly an analyst, a certified valuation analyst, trying to tell a banker what his stock is worth in his 401k, then that's almost an academic exercise that is usually done by a lot of CPAs and more of the auditor type person. What I think I bring to that realm of valuation is, because I am also very active, or have been active for the last 35 years on the bank M&A standpoint, I can identify those intangibles that bring true value to an acquisition or bring value to an organization. So if I'm valuing a bank from strictly a valuation standpoint, the certified valuation analyst, I can look at the bank and look at its balance sheet and income statement to determine what are those key elements of that organization that bring value to it or take value away. And so in my valuation analysis of that bank, I will look for true peers to value that bank in a more appropriate way, that if I didn't have that understanding and that experience of 35 years, that I may use the wrong peer group for determining those valuations. That doesn't mean that the other value isn't wrong. It just means I think I bring a more accurate valuation based upon the peers and the characteristics of those subsets that I'm going to compare my organization against for determining my value.